Hi everyone, Lady Steen here. Welcome to box number 22 of the Box of Making. We've themed this box May Flowers, and I'm so excited that I get to do this unboxing for you and show you the really cool things in your box. And we'll talk about all of the fun things we've done for this box. We themed it May Flowers because, as you know, after April showers come May flowers, and I'm feeling so much hope this spring. I hope you are too, that we really wanted something to celebrate spring, celebrate flowers. And so we themed the box May Flowers, and we'll show you some really fun things that we've put in this box. As always, we've got some paperwork for you in the box, including lists of parts, all of the good things, but I'm going to put those on the side and show you what's in your box as you open it. Here's what we look like. Ooh, ah. And as we open this, you're going to see that the first thing on top says Cookbookery. And this project was designed to be a book or a cookbook holder. And it looks like this once it's put together. We'll talk a little bit about how the slots work and how it's designed to be completely adjustable. The top piece will come off and you can set it like so, or set it another way, and then inside it is a cute little box that you can use to either put extra parts of the stand if you're not using the flowers as page holders, or you can put other things in your cookbookery holder. And the idea is, since it's a cookbook holder for your kitchen / cookery, it's a cookbookery. So that's the first project. It's probably the simplest of them. It was meant to be really, really simple, and it turned into something I really love. The art supply in this box is a double-sided brush tip pins. We've fallen in love with brush tip markers, and these bright colors should be great for decorating all of the flowers in this project. And there are lots of boxes in this. Lots of flowers in this box. Now, the second project I'm going to show you is what we call our Kinetic Garden wreath. And it comes in two parts. One part is a whole bunch of petals. And the second part of it is the wreath pieces themselves. So let me show you what that project looks like. It's one I'm really proud of. And yes, it has silver paint on it. If you're looking at it, I'm sorry. There was a incident in the laboratory with a silver paint pen yesterday, and it splashed. This is the dangers of making. So anyway, it's designed to be a wreath you hang on your door, so you can hang it using a ribbon or something else from that spot pretty easily. And then it has a little slot in the top so that somebody could drop mail messages, mail or something else for you in your slot, in the slot if they wanted to. You could actually put fake flowers or real flowers even in the spot, and then it's the Kinetic Garden because it spins. So I think it's really a pretty three-dimensional wreath that you'll be proud to put on your door for a really long time to come. Finally, in this box, our third project is called the Key Garden. This is also the project that's in the Prime box. And it's a key holder. It's actually been on my list to make something like this since the before times, when I wanted an easy way to hang masks and keys by the door. And I used this as finally as my excuse to make it. So it's got 4 hooks on it. It's got 2 cute drawers on either side, so you can put things in the drawers. It's got a little shelf. You can set stuff on top of that shelf, or you can use that as a little shadow box to put something pretty in it. It actually comes in 3 pieces in your box. There's a Key Garden 1 and a Key Garden 2. And then the back plate is down in the very bottom of your box, and it looks like that. In addition, in your box, as always, glue, sandpaper, pin test wood. You may want to play with that some. And last but not least, a few spare screws just in case you drop something on the ground in the process of making one of these projects. And that's the box 22, May 2021 of the Steamy Tech Box of Making. Watch the other videos for instructions on how to put them together.